torrential rain, hail, and fierce winds hit Ontinyent and inland Valencia, flooding streets and damaging festival areas. On Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, the inland areas of Valencia province, particularly Ontinyent, were hit by an extreme weather phenomenon known as a rainfall húmedo, a wet downburst that unleashed torrential rain and hail, coinciding with the main day of the Moros y Cristianos festivities. Spain's meteorological agency AEMET had already issued a yellow alert for 8 zones of the Valencian Community due to the risk of heavy localized rain and storms. Between 2:40 p.m. and 3:20 p.m., AEMET's rain gauge recorded over 30 liters per square meter in Ontinyent. Eyewitness reports and videos showed thick hail, torrential rain, reducing visibility to just a few meters, and streets flooded up to half the height of car wheels. However, the most striking rainfall occurred elsewhere. In Agres, northern Alicante, around 60 liters fell in less than 45 minutes, far exceeding AEMET's threshold of 20 liters per hour. This meant Agres received more than 3 times the forecasted rainfall in under an hour. Other locations between southern Valencia and northern Alicante also experienced heavy rainfall in a short period. Ayora registered nearly 37 liters per meter squared, Alfafara more than 43 liters per meter squared, Requena 33 liters per meter squared, Ayora 31 liters per meter squared, and Vallada over 28 liters per meter squared. This event highlighted that wet downbursts not only bring torrential rain and hail but also very strong wind gusts, creating a meteorological emergency across much of Valencia, as well as parts of southern Castellón and northern Alicante.